Well, here it is. We removed all the skin, windows, everything. Removed all the old insulation, all the rotten framing. Replaced it with all new material, hard foam, all around it, top, sides, everywhere. Reassembled it with all stainless steel fasteners. We put a finish washer around these windows up front. New gasket material on those side windows. Same with the Jalowski windows, if that's how you're supposed to say it. Got gasket material here, and then we did the strips in here as well. New aluminum screen material, polished it up. New paint job. That's a single stage urethane. Nice paint. Couple new propane tanks, propane tank holder, pigtails, 7-pin wiring harness here. It's got a junction box underneath the trailer. Frames have been all refinished. As far as the tires, and all, they're brand new white walls with new rims, hubcaps, brakes, new wiring running to the brakes. We got new wiring running throughout the trailer, 110 and 12 volt. Got new decals, LED lighting for the running lights. All those windows have been polished up. It's one of the funnest jobs, really. Yeah. Stripe's been polished up there. It's your power hookup. We manufactured some wings for it. These turned out really nice. You can see it's not some shoddy job. They're just like the real deal. And for the tail lights, we got original lenses, but the inside is a new stainless steel base with all new wiring. This baggage door was banged up, so we had that manufactured as well, just like new door latches on all the compartment doors, new locks and latches. Got new gasket material around this window as well. Some of that glass is new on that one and the side windows. And for the door, that's been totally rebuilt as well. Got the original screen door with new screen material. It's been all polished. We got new paneling on the door. We put new hard foam inside there to stiffen it up. We made the door a little bit thicker. Kind of sturdy it up a little bit more. different type of door latch here. I really like that. That way the handle doesn't seem to, before they kind of wanted to bang up against the side of the trailer. Not now. Works nice. All new aluminum been formed for that door. Closes nicely. Got a new lock cylinder there with working keys. You can see it's just like original. A new door jamb material here as well. There's the new marmoleum, natural real linoleum type stuff. Really like that pattern. We did some polished aluminum trim in there. New seat bases. At the furnace. All been redone, cleaned up. Works great. New laminate on the table and the counter, and also up on the cabinet doors there. Professionally reupholstered. And then Nicole does a great job on these pillows and curtains. And these curtains are, that's like an original old type fabric. Just like, we got a bunch of rolls of that from a business that was closing down. Worked perfect. Got a fantastic fan. And we put some new aluminum around there as well. All these have been polished up. Hinges and hardware has all been polished. Everything's been refinished inside. There's a fresh gaucho there. Professionally reupholstered. Got the vinyl welting there. I like that so it doesn't get all dirty. Original light. A lot of paneling's been replaced. all rebuilt from the outside in, just like they do when they put them together. The towel holder here. 12-volt light. Like I said, all new wiring, 110 and 12 volt all the way through. New bases. Original globes. New bases. New backsplash back there. At the cooktop here works beautifully. That's all been cleaned up as well. And the fridge, that whole girl works perfectly. Ice cold. Clean. Works great. A new mirror and clips there. That's your ironing board. And that goes into this slot over here where your cutting board is. And that laminate boomerang, pretty nice. The original sink and faucets. Hand pump works great. We have new PEX running to the street hookup. And that is about it. Lemon drop. Come and get it.